In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder using Dropbox. Sharing files and folders efficiently is crucial for collaboration and communication, and Dropbox makes it simple. So let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to your Dropbox homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see various options. Focus your attention on the section that lists your folders. Now, direct your gaze to the folders at the left side corner. This is where all the magic happens. It's here that you can see all the folders you've created or have access to in your Dropbox. Browse through the list and choose the specific folder you want to share. Clicking on a folder will highlight it and provide you with further actions you can perform. Once you've selected the folder you want to share, it's time to initiate the sharing process. Look for the Share button. It's usually prominently displayed after you select a folder. Clicking on Share will open up different options for how you can share this folder. This is where Dropbox truly shines with its versatility. Dropbox provides multiple options for sharing. You can share the folder via a direct link, transfer it, or even use a QR code. For our guide today, we'll focus on sharing via a link, as it's often the simplest and most effective method. In the sharing options, there should be an option to Copy Link. Once you click it, Dropbox will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. This is a quick and seamless way to prepare a shareable link. With the link now in your clipboard, you are free to paste it wherever you need. You can send it via email, include it in a document, or share it through messaging apps. This link allows recipients to access the folder directly from their browsers, providing ease of access without needing to navigate through the Dropbox interface themselves. To wrap up, remember to ensure the correct permissions are set when sharing. For instance, you might want recipients only to view the contents and not make any changes. That's a useful feature to remember if you're collaborating on sensitive or important documents. And that is it. Sharing a folder on Dropbox is a straightforward task, made even simpler with this step-by-step guide. Practice these steps a couple of times, and you'll be a pro at sharing folders on Dropbox. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy sharing!